Hello everyone, I just see this awesome deal and I want you to make it real quick for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys know that I'm in Wyze system, right? So it is really cheap and I've never seen it this cheap. So as a matter of fact, it's so cheap that I bought two just right now. This regular price right here for the Wyze cam is $69.98. And currently we can buy it for $34.99. And depending on where you live, some might be available in the store. Like myself, it says that they don't have it. So I just ordered and have it shipped to my house, which will be here on December 4th. Once again, $34.99 for two cameras. These are the newer versions of the Wyze cam, not the previous one, okay? This is the V3, not the V2. And the picture quality is a lot better than the V2. And as you can see right here, it's waterproof, so you can put it outdoor as well. Here you go, there's the layout where you can put them. Awesome, beautiful, indoor, outdoor. All right guys, thank you very much. Take care, bye-bye.